Yeah, of course, yeah, we're all ready, yeah. It is, isn't it? Yeah. You haven't been on front row yet, have you? Here we go. Isn't it? Roll back. It's this launch. Kicked in. Oh my god! They spin it up for us or something. Oh my god! See what I mean? It's insane.
That's so much more intense than what was on it earlier.
I guess it's warmed up as well.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Brilliant. Wow.
That was so much more intense than it was when I went on it earlier.
Wait for this hang time. So we just went on Storm, and what did you think of that?
It's alright, very intense.
Intense. It surprised me, yeah. I'll say that's probably my 5th best coaster of all time.
Wow.
Wow, yeah. Did you like it though?
Yeah.
Because I got a surprise for you. That was your 100th ever coaster. Yeah. You've been on the 100 coasters since our roller coaster journey, and that was your 100th.
Wow.